Okay. Archer's Firebreak. Nobody's broken trail. Fucking thick. I don't care. Yeah, blast it. Well, your tires dig.
Yeah. Turn around?
We can try. over there. I can probably wiggle a road right where I'm at. Holy shit, you can walk. Oh no! Full send, Cody. Never lift.
Yeah, I might try it. How bumpy is that?
Yeah, it's not bad, dude. Gary just dug some holes right there where the bumps are.
Okay. Look at the axle. It's deep. Should I do full spin?
Yeah, why not? You ain't on me.
Worst case, I need your trailer, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Right on the roof of your Jeep.
We're all here to have fun, so.
That's the problem I worry about now. Oh! Almost got it.
What are you at?
7.
That's what I'm at too. I thought about letting down some more. We're almost getting on top.
I was thinking about just pulling my cords and drive without it. On your way.
We are going to make it alive.
You gonna get it? Get it, get it, get it! Oh shit! That's the problem I worried about. Huh?
Got a couple more inches.
It's the holes you dug, man.
That was me.
Yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
He just made an obstacle.
yeah.
It'd be fun plowing through that corner up there after the berm.
Yeah.
Get it! Get it!
You running propane? Crackle.
Oh!
Almost.
Hey, front end came up.
Is there a tree across? What
It's
is
just
it?
a water bar.
Which trail is it?
This is Archer.
Oh, this is Archer?
Yeah, this is Archer. Oh no, nothing.
I don't remember it being the.
No,
I don't
nothing.
remember trees.
No, nothing looks the same.
Trying to get a little loose.
Hold on, Cody, we'll ratchet you.
That's okay. I'm going to try.
Oh, okay.
Well, either way.
Either way, it needs to, it's not the best strap either.
Kind of a little here. Why don't you,
Look at this, guys.
everything all right?
Man, it's so gorgeous up here. This is the entrance hill to Archer's Firebreak. Nothing quite looks the same. We were up here. Oh, I can see our tire tracks from last night. They're right there on the gravel berm at the bottom of Rocky Uphill. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see them in the camera. Let's see if I can use my fancy zoom here. How do I zoom with you? No? Okay, well. Yeah, we were looking for the cell phone spot yesterday and we ended up here because Sea Line Road didn't get plowed, so we completely blew Sea Line Road and got up on Archers, and now we're on the trail just trying to see if we can have fun breaking trail. I don't think we're gonna make it up around the pass, but we'll keep trying. let's see if we can walk back up here and film for Zach. Oh Lord. One, maybe two more, and you're there, dude.
I'm gonna try. If I can get in third, I'll get it.
What I love about the snow is it's hard to hurt your rig or damage it. As long as Zach's Dana 44 and 9" in the rear, so he's not gonna hurt her being mean to her, but there's no risk of body damage or nothing like that. Everybody's safe. We're all together. He may not make the hill, but he's gonna try. No, you're good.
Almost got it.
Oh, it's all about the adventure. window. It's hooked on the roof rack. Right here. This one, right here. Push that forward and out of the roof rack. There you go.
Got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was some work. Oh, hey, there's elk droppings right here. Fresh ones.
Oh yeah. Go to women, buddy. There's elk.
From the elk. Right here on the ground. They look like little blueberries. Those are not blueberries.
I dare you to eat one. Don't eat one. I dare you to eat one.
I don't even know how big the rock is. Found
There
it.
you go.
You gotta cool off, bud.
Yeah, we're gonna take a break here for a minute. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is Waterfall, and there are no tire tracks on Waterfall. We broke trail. We broke trail all the way here today. Super fun. And now we're kind of looking at it like, dang, it's almost a highway. Just drive right through this way and over here and over there, and oh Lord, look at the snow up there. I've never seen Waterfall with snow on it like this. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. There's a lot of snow on those rocks. Wow. And no, it's on the other side, not right now.
Yeah.
We went the other way. And it's probably destroyed. That's what me and Gary were just talking about. That's why there's no tracks here, because everybody went Firebreak 5, Cedar Tree, University, up to the top, and just destroying the top landing. Yep.
See all the oak beds?
Well, kudos to us for coming here.
There's at least like 10
Honestly, I
elk
wonder how many
beds.
people actually made it like the 7-Up and run that route.
Dude, it was deep. I mean, when we jumped off a sea line onto Archer's Road, I don't know that any of us could have broke trail up there.
Up where?
Up to like Hogsback and 7-Up.
I don't think so.
It's, I mean, even last night when we came up here, go over the greater tracks, the greater tracks were already drifted over. And I was on fresh snow all the way up here. Or up to bottom of Rocky Uphill last night.
It's gonna be a game for me.
Now the filter's kind of like a highway now because it's all filled in. But it also looks like there's 3 feet of snow on the face.
I know, right?
You have to be.
Well, I was like,
The rock when it's wet, it's slippery.
Right.
Just have
Would the snow add traction or make it slipperier? I know it's taller now.
Because they did that. They wouldn't have anywhere to park. Oh.
Because they know I'm gonna do it. You know.
I might have lost a little bit of time.
Now you're just antagonizing him.
I know, right? Buckle up.
Oh, I was kind of burning them all off on snow. Dig until you find traction, right?
Down the bottom.
Somewhere. Leave it there.
Down there.
We'll get there eventually.
No, Jesus Christ.
There's a hole there. I'll walk over here. There's a ditch right here. Full of water.
I usually sit on. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Cool. Oh, I gotta turn my lights off. That's probably fine. Whatever.
I'm so glad.
Yeah.
Just kick ass. I've never been up here when it's like this on these trails. We broke trail all the way here today.
I know, dude. That's why I was like, we're breaking
crazy,
trail. I think I probably should have dropped him another couple pounds, but
Still at 7?
Well, I was at 10,
Oh,
and then
okay.
I dropped him to 7. So.
Okay.
But
Yeah, I'm at like 5 now.
it's kind of mostly finding the right spot, the honey spot.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Well, everything's doing good
I
today.
have a present for you.
oh no, careful, dude.
It's an icicle.
Yeah,
Don't shoot your eye out.
I didn't think she was gonna climb that.
All right, I'm gonna finish taking a break and I'll get you some time lapse maybe on the way out. We're gonna have to break trail all the way out too. So anyway, appreciate you guys. Check at you soon. Happy New Year.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I said we were on our way home, and you got to remember with snow runs, and I try to put everybody on point that it's more fun sometimes getting out of where you got into than than what it was getting in. So we've cut one tree down, and we've got one rig overheating, and so we're just kind of hanging out and taking her slow and getting our way back to camp before it gets dark, before everybody's burned. Give yourself enough time. So that's what we're doing.
Can you?
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
Heading out,
Are you driving?
doing some ditch wheeling. go. Gary's up here trying.
Going back to camp.
Yeah, so that four-way on the map right here is the four-way at Rocky Uphill and the bottom of Archers, bottom of Rocky Uphill. And we broke trail all the way on Archers today. And now we're trying to get back to our broken trail via the road, which is not broken. So Gary wanted to break trail for a little bit, and so he's up there trying his buns off to get through. Almost out. 0.2 miles. Okay, we came, we snow wheeled, we broke trail, we're hitched, and ready to rock. I had to finish up this video on my phone because I filled up my SD card, but hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Happy New Year. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.